Okay, so we have a test on Monday, and I want to go over how to do as many of the problems on the review as possible. So we talked about this in class. We want to make sure that we're using every testing strategy that we have available to us because we don't have time to spend doing too much. So remember, our goal for this test is stop doing too much. Now, does that mean don't do enough? No. You got to do what you got to do, but don't do more than you have to. If you don't have to convert something into slope-intercept form, don't. So I'm going to start by kind of reminding you how to do the cover-up method, okay? So this is a problem. I don't think I did anything on this slide. So let's take a look at how we would use the cover-up method here. So remember, with the cover-up method, I'm going to kind of divide, I hate this stylus. I'm going to divide my, my problem into two pieces. And I'm going to set each of them equal to whatever's on the other side. So instead of 3x plus y equals negative 3, I'm going to do 3x equals negative 3 and y equals negative 3. And then I'm going to solve them, okay? I divide both sides by 3. I get x equals negative 1 and y equals negative 3. So I'm looking for a line that goes through x equals negative 1, so I'm going to put a mark there, and y equals negative 3. Well, the line that goes through x equals negative 1 and y equals negative 3 is A. Okay? Let's do another one. Okay, let's look at the second one. So I've got two pieces here. I've got x and negative 3y. So I have x equals negative 3. Love that for me. It's already done. And then I've got negative 3y equals negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 3. I get y equals 1. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm looking for the one that goes through an x of negative 3 with an x-intercept of negative 3 and a y-intercept of positive 1. That's going to be line C. Now this one's going to show wrong because it's not uppercase, okay? But remember, we would type that in as an uppercase letter, and it should be right, okay? So you've got a bunch of these to practice on. Please make sure you practice this like we talked about in class today. The test is very standard form heavy, and I want to make sure that you know how to do that. All right, so this is the first part. I'll come back and do another video over the second part.